Hello class 10th. Today I am going to start new topic. This is tissue fluid and in chapter 8 the circulatory system. Okay. Now what is tissue fluid? Also called intercellular fluid. Also called intercellular fluid. As the blood flows in the capillaries of the tissue, the plasma and leukocytes leaks out through their walls. This fluid bathes the cell and is called the tissue fluid. क्या होता है, कभी कभी जब कैपिलरीज ब्लड को लेके जाती हैं, ठीक है, तो ये यहाँ से क्या हो जाती है, लीक आउट हो जाता है और यहाँ पे एक फ्लूइड सेल के पास डिपॉजिट हो जाता है. दिस फ्लूइड बाथेस द सेल एंड इज कॉल्ड tissue fluid. Okay, the blood flows in the capillary of the tissue. The plasma and leukocytes leaks out. क्या leak out होता है? Only the plasma and leukocytes leaks out, and this fluid bathes the cell and this called tissue fluid. This fluid is called tissue fluid, which leaks out from the wall of the capillary. Okay, or intercellular fluid or extracellular fluid. Intercellular or extracellular fluid. It is from this fluid that the cell absorb oxygen and their required substance and is given out carbon dioxide and other waste back into it. Okay, now second type of fluid, that is lymph and lymphatic system. सिस्टम, जिस तरह सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम होता है ना, उसी तरह लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम भी होता है. इसमें भी ब्लड की जगह पे क्या फ्लो करता है, लिम्फ फ्लो करता है. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम. एंड इन ब्लड सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम ब्लड फ्लो, बट इन लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम लिम्फ फ्लोज. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द इन प्रीवियस वीडियो वी डिस्कस अबाउट इट, दैट इज व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द ब्लड एंड लिम्फ. Lymph is colorless or yellow in color. Blood is red in color due to the presence of the pigment hemoglobin in RBCs, and it is of yellow color. Contain only plasma and leukocytes. Lymph, some of the tissue fluid may be reabsorbed into the blood vessels, but most of it re-enters another set of minute channels named lymph vessels, where it is called lymphs. Okay, ये जो fluids है reabsorbed by the lymphatic system, and this type of fluid is called lymph, and the system which contain lymph is called lymphatic system. The main lymph vessel, the lymph flows in these vessels due to the contraction of the surrounding muscles. This again is a beneficial effect of the physical exercise. Lymph vessels on the way drain lymph into the lymph nodes, from where fresh lymph channels arise and ultimately pour the lymph into the major anterior vein close to their entry into the right auricle, and is again in circulation. Okay, now composition of lymph. Composition of lymph. Composition क्या है? First one is cellular. Cellular part only leukocytes, no lymphocytes. Okay, leukocytes, no lymphocytes. Okay, and no blood platelets, and non-cellular part में क्या होगा, water, 94% water content, and solids में protein, fat, carbohydrate. Okay, and antibodies etc. is of 6% only. Now second is functions of lymph. Functions of lymph. Okay, functions of lymph. First one is nutritive. Nutritive means supplies nutrition and oxygen to those parts where blood cannot reach. Okay, what is the function of lymph? It is nutritive because it supplies nutrition and oxygen to those parts where blood cannot reach. Now second one is drainage. Drainage It drains away excess fluid, tissue fluid and metabolites and return protein to the blood from tissue spaces. Drainage, it drains away excess tissue fluid and metabolites and return protein to the blood from tissue spaces. Now third one, absorption. Absorption, fats from the intestine are absorbed through lymphatics lentils located in the intestinal villi. Okay, in the intestinal villi lentils are present and these lentils absorb the fats from the intestine or absorb fat, okay, from the intestine. Now fourth one, defense. Defense, lymphocytes and monocytes of the lymph function to defend the body. The lymphatics also remove bacteria from the tissue. Haven't you ever experienced painful swelling in your groin or in axle of the arm when you get a boil or injury in the limbs? Okay, this is protective side. The lymph node tend to localize the infection and prevent it from the spreading to the body as a whole. The tonsils on the side of the neck is also a lymph gland. Tonsils in your body is also a lymph gland. Okay, now next one is lymphatic organ, that is spleen. Spleen is a lymphatic organ. Lymphatic organ, that is spleen. Okay, it is about size of the clenched fist and reddish brown in color. Where it is situated? It's behind the stomach. It is where it is situated, in behind the stomach. Okay, behind the stomach and above the left kidney and above the left kidney. Okay, spleen is a lymphatic organ. Where it is situated? Behind the stomach and above the left kidney. Okay, now function of spleen. Function of spleen. Lymphatic organ है तो now produce lymph gland. Lymphocytes, it produce lymphocytes. Produce lymphocytes, reservoir for the blood, and destroy worn out red cell. Destroys worn out RBCs. And embryo, in an embryo it produce RBC. In embryo, जब ये embryo में रहता है, embryo में spleen होता है, तो now it's produce RBC. Okay, and blood reservoir, in emergency such hemorrhages, physical emotional stress and carbon dioxide poisoning, the spleen releases the stored blood into the bloodstream. Okay, add the blood reservoir also. Fourth one, blood reservoir. Blood reservoir. Okay. Now, next one. Do this question in your book. In your notebook. Progress check. What is pulse? What are the normal values of the blood pressure in a normal human adult? Which kind of cells are mostly found in lymph? That is, अभी बताया था, that is leukocytes. List the three functions of lymph: nutritive, drainage, absorption and defense. And name the two lymphatic organs in human. One lymphatic organ, that is spleen, and the second lymphatic organ, that is tonsil. And name the following. The most numerous kind of leukocytes. That is right answer. Part of lymphatic system concerned with absorption of fat and fats from the intestine, that is lacteals. It is written here in your book also. Lacteal from the intestine, lymphatics, lacteals located in the intestinal villi. Next, a special lymphatic node on the side of the neck. Which one? On the side of the neck. That is lymph gland, that is tonsils. Lymph gland is tonsil. Okay, thymus. Lymphatic organ में spleen and thymus. Lymphatic organ, spleen and thymus, and the special lymphatic node on the side of the neck, that is tonsils. The tonsils on the side of the neck also lymph gland. Okay, do it in your notebook. Now this chapter completed, and do structural and application skill type question in your notebook. Okay, thank you class.